Ever wondered how top real estate investors seem to always be a step ahead? The secret? A powerful tool called Propwire. Today I'm going to reveal how you can use it to find the best deals. What's up everybody? I'm Nathan Payne and today it's all about unlocking the full potential of Propwire in your real estate ventures. Get ready for some insider secrets. So what's coming up today? We're going to be unveiling the features of Propwire that can change your real estate game. A step-by-step guide on harnessing Propwire for maximum benefits, and insights from successful real estate investors who use Propwire. If finding better deals faster sounds good to you, do me a favor and hit the like button. Let's get started in this bad boy. So what the heck is Propwire? Propwire is not just a database. It's a gold mine for finding real estate deals. It offers in-depth data on properties, including foreclosure status, mortgage info, and even owner contact details. It's crazy the amount of information you can get on Propwire. And not only is it able to do that, guys, but it's freaking free. If you didn't know that, you can definitely use Propwire and it doesn't cost you a cent to use it and find the data. This is the kind of data that gives you a significant edge in the market. So how do you use Propwire? Well, these are a couple practical ways that I use Propwire and that I would recommend using Propwire. If you're in a specific market, pick one market that you want to master. Don't get crazy and go all over the country. Just pick one market, pull a list of pre-foreclosures, absentee owners in your area that you specifically have buyers for. That's something that I teach. I don't want you to just go pull a list that's like, everywhere. Like for example, in Salt Lake City, if you pull every county or every zip code in Salt Lake or Utah, you're just shooting like a shotgun. I don't want you to, I want you to take a sniper approach. Go to Propwire and pull a list of a specific area where you have buyers. Now, if you don't have buyers, you can also use Propwire to find cash buyers in specific areas. What I tell people to do is go talk to cash buyers, figure out what they want to buy, and then target those areas. So for example, I talked to a guy named John. He's a buyer. I say, John, what do you want to buy? He says, I want to buy houses that are 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, no bigger than 2,000 square feet in this area of Salt Lake City, Utah, for example. He could even say, I want to buy them only in the city of Sandy. So what I could do is filter my leads for absentee owners in Sandy that meet that criteria and start reaching out to those buyers, whether I knock on their door, cold call, text, if you're doing outbound outreach, okay? If you're reaching out to the list that you just pulled. Once you find someone that is interested in selling, you would already have a buyer that could give you feedback on what they would pay for that deal. That's exactly how I would get started if you're gonna do outreach and start pulling lists. That's how you can use Propwire to find not only buyers, but to find data and lists that you can target. So I can't tell you the countless stories that Jerry Norton has told me of people that are using Propwire that are succeeding. I've actually listened to a couple of interviews where people have done $20,000, $30,000 deals. And when we ask them where they got the data, they say Propwire. And guys, I'm telling you, this is kind of crazy because most softwares, they charge some money to even use the service. But with Jerry Norton's service, Propwire, it's absolutely free. You can pull lists, find buyers. This is definitely something I would recommend using if you want to apply the strategy of direct-to-seller marketing. So tell me what's your biggest challenge in real estate? Comment below and let's discuss how Propwire can help you overcome it. So do me a favor, everyone. Take the leap into smarter, faster, and more profitable investing with Propwire. Click the link below to learn more and get started today. So that wraps up our session for today, everybody. Remember to subscribe for more real estate insights, and until next time, keep finding those great deals.